Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Wipeout in Autocad to hide drawing objects easily. This is a really useful tool when your drawing starts looking crowded and you want to cover certain areas without deleting any of the original geometry. Wipeout basically creates a mask over objects, making your drawing cleaner and easier to read, while keeping everything underneath fully intact. To get started, open your drawing in Autocad and go down to the command line. Type Wipeout and press Enter. Autocad will now ask how you want to create the wipeout boundary. You can either draw a polygon manually or use an existing closed polyline. If you already have a closed shape, like a rectangle, or any closed boundary created with P-line, selecting the polyline option is usually the fastest and cleanest method. If you decide to draw the boundary manually, simply click around the area you want to hide. Think of it like sketching a cover over the objects you no longer want visible. Try to keep the shape neat and use object snaps whenever possible so the wipeout aligns properly with your drawing. Once the boundary is complete, press Enter, and Autocad will automatically create the wipeout. Right away, you'll notice that the objects underneath disappear from view, but they're not actually deleted. They're simply hidden behind the wipeout mask. This makes the feature perfect for cleaning up overlapping lines, creating space for notes, or making presentation drawings look much more professional. And another useful thing is, you can still edit the wipeout afterward. Click on it, and you'll see grips that allow you to stretch, move, or adjust the shape whenever needed. And if you ever want the hidden objects back, simply delete the wipeout, and everything underneath becomes visible again instantly. Wipeout also works when plotting or printing your drawing, so the hidden area will remain covered on the final sheet as well. This makes it especially useful for layouts, annotations, and technical drawings where readability is important. And that's basically it. By using the Wipeout command, you can quickly organize busy drawings, hide unnecessary details, and create much cleaner presentations without permanently removing any objects. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps a lot.